Right, today we're gonna do very simple and quick flyer design, and this is how we're gonna start. So what I just did, I just deleted this thing, just deleted it. So you look at the delete button up here. I'm just trying to be very careful. This one here is the delete button so that you don't become confused. And I'm trying to be slow too. Okay. All right. Go to the background editing tool. Look at where I'm tapping down here. This is where background editing tool is. Is this one over here? This thing is covering it, but this is it over here. All right. So this is the background editing tool. Click it and then click color. You're going to change the color right now. You're going to change the color to a deep blue. I already have the blue somewhere here because I've set it before, but since you may not have it, click the plus sign that is down somewhere here. Click this plus sign here, click it, and then you're going to drag this. You're going to drag it to this point where there's blue. Drag it to the end there, and then you're going to use these tools here, this one especially, not the other ones, just leave the other ones, and then you're going to drag it to this point somewhere here. Okay, so just drag it and then keep it somewhere here where it's becoming dark. Click OK, and then you have a background like this. So what we're going to do is a birthday design, a birthday flyer, very simple one. So I'm going to go to my gallery. Please click the plus sign, click from gallery, and then go to your gallery and bring an image of the person you want to design for. But note this image, okay, this image, actually there's no background on this image that I'm using currently. So all right, so this is the image of the person I want to design for. Okay, so I'm going to place it right here. Well, I would have placed it like a professional, but since you are still learning, well, let's still just do it in a professional way. Okay, so just drop it here. All right, Kai, there's something now I'm going to teach you right now, but since this is just assignment, just do the assignment yet. Because if you look at this side, what I wanted to do, if you look at this side, you can see how this side is faded. Now how will you achieve that with pixel art? All right, that is actually a lesson for another day, but just follow this for now. All right, so just reduce it to this point and place it here. Don't worry, place it here. You might be wondering, what about the setting of the borders and the grid? Well, it's been a while I designed using grid anyway, but that's because I have. So this one actually, I told you text. It is text. Mostly it is text that obey those grid lines. All right. So or the setting of the boundary is text. So I actually want this to move into the edges. Yes. So this is how I want this one to be. So you keep it like this. It's still a professional design. So don't be afraid about that. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to write happy birthday. We're going to write birthday first. Let's put birthday first. All right, this birthday you're putting here, you're going to enlarge it, and then you're going to change the font to let's use build. I told you to download build, so I believe you should have build already. Okay, let's use build. So enlarge it the way it is like this. All right, so now this is where you are now going to use the grid. Okay, the grid line, and where you will now set borders for your design. So you are going to draw a line. You are going to bring a line here that you will not disobey. All right, that line is also here anyway that you won't disobey, but I have already explained that this picture, we are actually not obeying it because of the kind of design we want to do for pictures, not for texts. If I'm bringing a text now, even if it's this side, I must obey it. I can't bring a text and drop it here because my text are going to stop here. This is a very, very important tip I'm giving you. And then another line will be here, another one will be here. So no text here and no text here. All right. But this picture, like I've told you, it's the way I want to do it. And since it is not a text, since the picture is not a text, so that's why I'm placing it that way. If not, maybe you can just say, okay, you place the picture from here to here, but it will not be appropriate. It may not be appropriate. So the picture will be left like that. I don't know whether you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. So how do I set that grid? Come here, and just activate the grid line from here. Just activate it, click it, and look at it. Then click grid setting here. Click grid setting, and then move this one to this point, and then move this one. As you are touching it, just touch it and move it to this point. Touch this one, move it up. Take it up a little. Touch this one, bring it down. All right, so after you are done, click these settings before you do anything, so nothing will be done there. All right, so just before you do that, delete this one. So click this one and click this button here. It will delete. All right, then click these settings so that you can design. All right, so this is what you have. So happy birthday. This is birthday, so we are going to write happy now. Text, write happy. Happy. So if you don't have this font I want to use now, so I'm using right alignment. So I'm aligning to the right, to this line. I'm not aligning to the left. All right. So happy. So I'm going to use font called signature. It's my own font. So signature. All right. Just download signature. But I'm using prestige signature. Prestige signature. So you've seen it. Happy. All right. So this is it. Happy birthday. I'm gonna bring it down a little. So for this, I'm going to change the color right away. So the color, change color. Click gradient, click the plus sign. Or let me just use a normal color so that you not be confused. So when you come to color, look for something that is like that's like orange or so. Okay, all right, this is okay. So this is what I'll use. Then happy birthday. Okay, the next thing I'm going to put now, I'm going to put the text for the birthday. All right, I already have my own text here, so you can put whatever you want to put. I have my prayer and I've written everything here. All right, so reduce it, and you know, you're going to place it like this. So you are going to change the alignment to right alignment. So go to align, align right here. Okay, so this is what you have. So you make it tally with that line. All right, this is what you have. Okay, so this is it. So just bring them down a little. Happy birthday. All right, if you want to bring it down, you know, you don't want to move it with your hand, you can just click this position over here. Click position, you can reduce it so that you don't make mistakes. All right, so this is what you have. So don't worry if you save it, the grid line will not save with it. All right, so we're going to write the name of the person, and oh, it's good you lock your stuff, but we'll talk about that later. So I'm going to write the name of the person, Isaac Paul. All right, this is Isaac Paul. All right, happy birthday, Isaac Paul. Then we'll bring this down. So you're going to make this bold. How are you going to do that? So you go to style, look at style here, and then bold it, and then click the mark. All right, happy birthday, Isaac Paul. All right, so you bring this now as your prayer. So no pixel up sometimes. All right, happy birthday, Isaac Paul. So I'm going to put the date right now. I'm going to put the date right now. I'm going to put 15th. Let me not August. So let me not do something that will confuse you yet. So this 15th August, you are going to put it. You're going to put it right here, or we can just come and put it here. All right. So just put the 15th August here. 15th August 2022. All right. So please note how I'm doing it. I'm going to tell you note how I'm doing it so that you won't make mistakes. All right, so we are now going to we are going to add some little creativity to it so that you know, it looks somehow it's going to look better. All right, so just put this shape. You saw where I click shape, then drag it, reduce it to this point, and then hit OK. Then bring it to this point here. All right, so what you're going to do now, we're going to take it below this guy. So click your layer button, hold it, drag it bit from this edge here, this dotted edges, hold it from there, and then drag it down. All right, drag it down below this person. Just take it on top of the person and just leave it to go down, since there's nothing down again. All right, so when you are done, click your layer button again, click your layer button so that you see what you have. Just click outside. All right, this is what you have. Happy birthday. Okay, you can now see. All right, so we are going to put something birthday shout out, or birthday shout out. Yes, birthday shout out as the topic for birthday shout out. All right, so this you're going to reduce it very well. Reduce it. Place it at the middle here, and then we are going to increase the spacing. So go to spacing and increase it to 35. All right, so drop it here at the middle. So for it to be at the very middle, come to relative position, and then position. This is the middle. Middle is here, so click it and it's at the middle. All right, so this is birthday shout out to this guy. So now I'm going to add another shape, but I don't want to make this first video or this introductory video too hard for you. So what you're going to do, just one more thing, and then we are gone. We are done for today. So just click shapes and then click some cycles. Okay, we're going to reduce them. Use the cycle and just click here, double click it. All right, so all this actually just a way of trying to beautify, you know, the design and all of that. So we can add courtesy can be Rema Network International. All right, so this is Rema Network International as a courtesy. So you are still going to obey this line on it. All right, so I off it actually, so you can see what you have right now. So the next thing, I'm going to color the Rema Network International to become the color of the birthday. So go to text editing tool and click on color. Then come down, select only Rema. From Rema, just select it from there before you choose your color. So if you do it like that, it's going to give you this. All right, so look at what you have here. Okay, so this is a design we have. You can now save it as image and save to gallery. Make sure you follow all the prescriptions here so that you will get the same kind of design that I've just done. So I don't want something too different. All right, so that's that for today.